Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Sofia in Bulgaria, and today we are at the Renault stand taking a look at the all-new Renault Austral. So this is the all-new SUV. It's actually the model that will replace the Kadjar. So Kadjar goes to retirement and this is the successor and it looks gorgeous. So we have the all-new name, new platform, new design. Let's start with the design. We have a very strong appearance on the road, especially with this blue color. So on the front we have the massive grille with the new Renault badge. First we saw it on the new Renault Megane E-Tech, and now also on the Austral. Looks very modern indeed. The grille, as you can see on this package, we have the special pattern with the chrome squares, looking very nice indeed. LED lights with the C shape of the daytime running LEDs. We also have the dynamic indicators. I will show you that as well. LED matrix vision from Renault, and overall, as I said, very aggressive and very stylish indeed, especially in a spec like this. Bumper also has the gloss black elements, obviously bunch of sensors and safety systems and all of that stuff. And here we have also the air inlets. They are actually real. Let me show you the side profile of this gorgeous SUV. Sits on the 20-inch wheels. We also have the dual tone, so we have the black roof. Let me show you the wheels from close. So 235/45 R20. We have the Michelin Primacy 4 tires on this one. As you can see, we have the edges here that are in gloss black, which make it look very sporty and very elegant in my opinion. You also have the gloss black on the side skirts. Camera in here, indicator, chrome lines of the upper sections of the doors and also the roof rails. Now let me show you the rear of the car, which is equally as impressive as the front, because just look at this design, look at those lights. I mean, the lighting signature, this during the night, this will look so cool. Austral lettering and the badge. So I love the fact that we still have the badge and the lettering of the model as well. And this badge, once again, gorgeous design. Tell me in your comments, how do you like it? I quite like that we have the similar, let's say, pattern of the lights like on the new Renault Megane E-Tech. So Renault models are really easy to recognize on the road with this cool design and cool lighting signature. Strong appearance here as well with the gloss black finish on the lower section of the bumper. We also have this plastic here to make it more robust, sensors, and the rear view camera as well. And if we press this, we don't have electronic tailgate on this one. So here we are greeted with generous amount of space really. As you can see, the dual floor and also nice square shapes, so no problems whatsoever. Here is the 12-volt power supply, and we also have the hooks for your shopping bags, which are on both sides, and some additional room on the sides. So overall, I think really practical car indeed. If you do this, we can close it, and I believe electric tailgate is an option as well. So tell me in your comments, how do you like the design of this thing? Look at this C-pillar, nice aluminum pattern here, and this spoiler, which actually makes the car pretty aerodynamic because of those fins here. Shark fin antenna, and from this angle, doesn't this look good? So I want to hear your thoughts, and now we will enter the interior and explore the details there. So let's jump on board. So let us now jump on board, and as expected, the all-new interior to go with this all-new model. Let's start here with the attention to details. Look at this gloss black finish, Harman Kardon sound system, aluminum parts here, plastic buttons obviously for the windows and the mirrors, and really decent amount of room here for various things. This is nice in leather and pretty soft on touch. So thumb up from me. Lumbar support, and of course adjustments for the seats are here as well. Speaking about those seats, you can see that they hold you in one position really good, and they are pretty soft, so really comfortable to sit on those. But now, without further ado, let's check it out from driver's perspective. And let us start with the wider view. So in front of us, the new steering wheel, which has this rather unusual shape. I quite like it. Driving mode button is here. Eco Sport, Personal Comfort. Those are the options. And here, as I said, the lovely attention to details. Just look at this. This is all in one piece. And also we have the nice elements here. So let me change the view and show you more details. Okay, so let's start here with the dashboard. Nice soft on touch. We have this sort of like the wood element, and the air vents are located here. Middle section has this large touchscreen. This is the 12-inch one, and then we have also the 12.3-inch digital cockpit with various views. In the middle, the central console, and no, this is not the gear selector. You can just move this around. The gear selector is actually here. So this is your wireless charger, and here you have the cup holders, USB-C ports. Press this and you get additional room, and I love the fact that this is in gloss black. Looks quite nice. And yeah, well, tell me in your comments, how do you like this layout? Unfortunately, I can't show you the infotainment system. We would need the key, and car would need to have more battery. 12-volt power supply is here as well. Hazard lights, and I love the fact that the AC is still on switches. So that's really a big thumb up from me. By pressing this view button, you change the various views, and actually we can do this, I think. Yes, we can, so quite nice. So we have the minimalistic view, then you have the view with the dials, and the view with the navigation. And as you can see, we are in Sofia, lovely city of Sofia, for the Sofia Motor Show. And tell me in your comments which view would be your favorite. I would probably prefer to have this standard one. Fuel gauge is here, and then the classic dials, and for example driving systems here in the middle. And I quite like the design of this thing. I think when you turn on the indicator, then it would turn the indicators on here as well during the drive. But yeah, here as well. Look at this, quite cool. And yeah, I want to hear your thoughts about the interior. Look at this, the Harman Kardon is here, and I believe this is illuminating, if I'm not mistaken, the glove compartment. But you can also use it here as the second rear view mirror. And the sun visor, there we go. We also have the panoramic roof. Let me show you the sun visor for the passenger. And now it is time to check out the rear bench. Let us now jump on board. Here you see the similar pattern as on the front. Let's see the rear bench. There we go. Really a lot of room here, no problems whatsoever. Lovely view on the front. USB-C ports as well as the air vents. You have some storage area here. In the middle you also have the armrest. Nice leather armrest with cup holders, but they are not adjustable. And now let me show you how much space I have for my head. And this is the situation, so still some room left here for my head. I'm 1.87 m. This car has the panoramic roof. I believe if you don't spec the panoramic roof, you would have even more room here. And also those seats, you can adjust the incline here. So just a second. All right, so you see now it's a bit more towards me and towards the driver actually. So a lot of options are possible, and it's really a nice place to be here. Speaking about the engines, there are various options available for the new Austral. So we have the hybrid, but also the mild hybrid versions, various mild hybrids. And speaking about hybrid, it's the classic full hybrid, self-charging hybrid with 200 horsepower. We don't have the specs of the model in our video here because it's just got the premiere here. It's not on the market yet, but I've been told that this is the hybrid, so probably this is the self-charging hybrid with 200 horsepower. And now I want to show you the car with the indicators turned on. So you see we have the dynamic indicators, daytime running LEDs turned into indicators, and you see a very nice design, very nice mimic here. Same goes for the rear, so let's immediately come here. There we go. So tell me in your comments, how do you like it? How do you like this beautiful design, and how do you like those dynamic indicators? And that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more from Sofia Car Show. Tell me in your comments, how do you like the new Renault Austral? How do you like the new design language from Renault? We also see here the new Megane. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.